Welcome to Mastering the 50/30/20ths Rule, a comprehensive blueprint for financial freedom and strategic budgeting. This video will guide you through using this powerful budgeting technique to secure your financial future. Let's begin by understanding the foundation of this rule, a framework that simplifies wealth management. The 50/30/20ths Rule provides a clear path for allocating your income across needs, wants, and savings. The concept, created by Senator Elizabeth Warren, uses proportional budgeting to divide your after-tax income into three buckets, focusing on ratios rather than strict categories. The core objective is to help you live within your means while aggressively securing your future through a flexible, disciplined approach. 50% is allocated to your essentials or needs. These are non-negotiable obligations that impact your quality of life, such as housing, utilities, transport, groceries, and insurance. Half of your take-home pay should cover these essential expenses. 30% is for your wants or the lifestyle bucket. This covers variable spending and choices like dining out, subscriptions, hobbies, travel, and upgraded gadgets. Budgeting for wants is crucial for sustainability because financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. The final 20% is dedicated to future assets. This is the most critical bucket for building wealth and safety, reducing liabilities, and increasing assets. If your needs are lower than 50%, you should redistribute the surplus here to accelerate your retirement timeline. Here is the allocation breakdown: 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings. These percentages are calculated based on your net income after taxes. The 50/30/20ths Rule balances essential obligations, lifestyle enjoyment, and future security. The implementation roadmap has 4 steps: calculate your net income, categorize past spending, allocate 20% automatically, and adjust by trimming excess wants monthly. Follow this roadmap to effectively apply the 50/30/20ths Rule. Strategic allocation of your funds results in a 3.3 times increase in net worth accumulation over a 10-year horizon compared to unbudgeted spending. This chart illustrates the dramatic wealth growth projection with strategic allocation. As Warren Buffett says, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This mindset is fundamental to achieving financial independence. Your savings pillars include an emergency fund, retirement accounts, and a growth portfolio. Focus on building wealth and safety through these financial priorities. Thank you for investing in your financial education. Visit our website for more resources. Image sources are listed here for your reference.